So Funnel Cake Lounge is gourmet funnel cakes. If you can think any kind of dessert, I can transform it into a funnel cake. So everyone kept telling us to get a food truck, and we were just strictly restaurant. I didn't want to do it. They finally convinced me, and someone told us, do not necessarily go pay cash for one, lease to own one. Quick Google search and we found it. We got our first trailer almost 3 years ago. Our first trailer was extremely successful. We're so booked, I turned down a lot of events. In the beginning, taking it on, it was kind of brand new because you don't typically see loans that are weekly. But once you really figure out how to maneuver the business, it's easy to manage. And the payments are also extremely affordable. Like in the beginning, it's like $300 a week, that's $1,200 a month. I can't afford that. Once you actually sit down and you break down your numbers of your costs and everything, your payroll, clockwork. You can do it in your sleep. The rent-to-own website, it was really straightforward. It tells you the layouts, the floor plans, everything that we got was exactly what was in the pictures online. And that's what made us drive 14 hours from Augusta, Georgia to Houston, Texas. Because there were other ones that were closer. Even there's actually one in Augusta, Georgia, but we prefer putting in the drive. If you're considering restaurant or food truck in general, go food truck. It gives you so much freedom. You make your own schedule and you can take your business anywhere. If you're not successful in your city or state, hop in that truck and travel to another one. And regarding Funnel Cake Lounge, I would say the fair's been around for so long, but you've never had funnel cakes like this before. So you gotta come see us to see why.
Start today. Visit renttoowntrailers.com. Hablamos Español.